What's up guys, welcome back to another Swift animation video. Today I will show you how to animate UI view left and right side on press button. Let's watch this video. Now let's create new Xcode animation demo project. See the navigation bar and go to view controller class. There are we creating total 4 IB outlets. First we create left UI view IB outlet, and second create a right UI view outlet, and third by creating the left view leading constraint, and it's fourth we are creating the right UI view trailing constraints, which we are making the left view leading and right view trailing constraint. We are only creating purpose this to make it easier for us to assign values to the animations. Guys, now we are creating the IB action for left view. Now create right view IB action function. Next we are go to the storyboard and design the animation outlets. Now added the left UI view and set the position constraints. Also added inside left view text UI label and set the UI label constraint equal to left view position, and set the text left view. Now add the button left and right button, and set the IB action outlet, and after press this button we will animate the UI view like left and right view coming on the left and coming on the right side. Now we are set the left and right buttons, text title, and we are set the position using with storyboard constraints, and also set the title bold or italic like attributes. Let's do copy the right UI view and set the position in right side like using the constraint, and vertically center, set the vertically center, and set the connect to IB outlet, different IB outlet like right UI view, right label. Set the left view leading constraint minus 20 60 to 60, and set the same as the right side minus 2 to 20 60 260 is showing the UI view like outside the controller. That's Now come to the main point, main functionality. Right there in left action buttons, write the UI view animation with durations, closure functions, and inside the closure animation closure function, we are set the leadings UI left UI view leading values, and inside we are write the UI view layout if needed. This is code is implemented. Its purpose was set UI view positions like inside the UI controller screens.